So Python booleans simply return the true or false of any value. Suppose given RSI indicator, RSI is greater than 30 and RSI is less than 80. Suppose an RSI value can anything like 40. Suppose. So if you want to print this RSI indicator, let us see what it prints. It's returning true because 50 lies between 30 and 80. Suppose its value is 20. So it will return false. Okay. And this command AND is, if both the conditions are true, then it will return true. If any of the condition is false, then it will return false. So you can see that suppose RSI, suppose it is 90. So here it is greater than 30, but it is greater than 80. So one condition is true, one condition is false. So it will return false. So this is basically the Python booleans.